You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.
Say we don't come again with sport update when they reaching for TMC radio, and this one are the weekend version, and you know say the weekend everybody they relax after hectic week, and this one a morning we want give you waiting they happen, and we go tell you something when they happen for the camp of the Super Eagles. We go gist you how it be for there and how their preparations. Victor Osimhen, he don't get new coach, and still on coach matter. PSG don't open talk officially and direct with the man when they add. This and other thing that you go enjoy this morning for sport update. And I still remember Ifunanya Okweze, the most wonderful and reliable goalkeeper, the man when they keep clean sheet anyhow. They know they put me for market because I remember the Austin people they play for the leg. And I know they do this show alone. I get my brother with me when we go down together. He say in at the midfielder, but yesterday match when he play, assist any pass. The midfielder, good morning.
Good morning. No be every day way Enzo they play, na in the assist though. No be every day way Bruno they play, na in the assist though. Everybody gets your own day. Yesterday no be my day, so no mock me on that.
All right, I go give you statistics before we go come up for the studio because in play 90 minutes, 47 unsuccessful pass, one tackle and one yellow card and one own goal. I just make I give you part of the statistic. Yes, we go enter the matter proper. Guinea-Bissau don't beat September and the Principe and they come they top the table. And the Super Eagles go play their own. On Sunday, they go take Sierra Leone. You know, say Sierra Leone, when CAF can't look their stadium, because this on our stadium, no reach our standard. So they can't carry the match, go another place. So, how you see the Super Eagles? You know, say many people get doubt based on, I get my personal reservation for the coach. I know say many people, when they bring us in Jose Posero, when they call Mazi Posero. And they say they train the boys, and when you hear say Guinea-Bissau do the United like us, Tory people say, Mona give us chance. We want not only once. I'll still tell you, not only once he open media for journalists.
You open gate for journalists.
Yes.
Good morning, my country people. My name is Blessing Maverick. Na TMC radio you dey listen to. Regarding Jose Pacero, no be something where we say he go just they do us anyhow. Today we don't know before say this man he get us in B, even in the way they use given contract he get us in B. So in doing what they do today, I know they even surprised because if we check from the beginning, say Guinea-Bissau the top Nigeria, now one thing we say we supposed to close our eyes for, but to me the only thing we say we go use just competitor be say no be only number one they qualify for African Cup of Nations. So it never too bad. Even if they the number one, we still did the number two, they qualify. It never too bad. But it go dey bad when we say if you can't qualify finish, go still perform just like we did for the last Nations Cup where we
you don't enjoy the press calculator now say one or two they qualify.
I not join the but we must say the reality.
For a group of September for a group of September Principe, Guinea-Bissau, Sierra Leone. We'll see the press calculator.
Oga, the group we Ghana they qualify for World Cup. When they qualify, when they come out for World Cup, you know how many people will there will be strong team.
Wait.
Okay.
Mogo Spain.
Okay.
Chukwueze, best Africa player when he did Spanish league.
Okay, right.
Italian Serie A. Osimhen, highest goal scorer. Best striker. For Napoli, despite him being player of the season for Napoli. Yeah. Go Atlanta.
Okay.
Ademola Lookman. Best player for
Atalanta.
Atalanta. You know if he come out within this Ian Nacho.
We still best player. We get all
best player. No, come on Nacho. You know
Simon.
Best player for Leicester. Taiwo Awoniyi. You see the caliber players where we get.
Of course.
You know if you take them away from Alex Iwobi this season, superb. You know say every time I talk I say. Anyway, I see Lampard made it Domo Lampard.
So
now Lampard bring the best come out from her. Now, and we they play Guinea-Bissau, we they play Sierra Leone. With all due respect, and September and Principe will be 10-0, will be 11-0.
Okay.
We'll see the press calculator.
No, say the matter just be like say you get better motto.
Don't forget say Joseph Posero. Wait, don't forget say Joseph Posero. Now Jose Mourinho.
He recommend that for what can they talk? Be say you get better motor, you get good tire, you get good interior, exterior, and you can't get bad driver. regardless how the matter be, forget them. Now one step forward, 2 step backward. So now it dey happen to Nigeria now. Our problem wey we get, we just know say it's not about players, it's not about say maybe we not get the required facilities. If you should compare the remaining Africa where we get to, say Africa now we dey do our own in African way. So we get the player, we get the facilities, we get everything needed in terms of maybe even say maybe na money problem. Because if you dey talk say maybe I think all these players they get their own personal money, their own money aside the money we say we go pay them for their job. But the problem we get be say this manager of a thing. He pay me say the last time we want go for a coach matter. He pay me say we still go abroad, still go.
No. Me no dey support home base.
Wait.
Home base coach.
Wait. I not say
no go home base.
Why we not go home base?
No.
Why we not go home base?
Now home base coach.
Now the root of the matter be that.
Now home base coach carry us go World Cup.
Now the root of the matter go be the now we dey talk. That time of Shuabu Amodu.
Na that time.
That time of Shuabu. Wetin be? No be home base coach.
Leave that one.
Home base coach carry us.
Joseph Pesero contract go expire June this month.
And we pray say make they no renew am.
And you know say no be this present NFF now they give a contract.
Na so now
and
by now give that time.
By now we never they see any light from NFF chairman say.
I just pray say make they off the light.
Okay, make they just
off the light.
And if they off the light, make they look internal or make they look external.
It depends. See, our problem be say.
Wait, make they look internal or make they look external.
To me, I will prefer internal.
Internal.
I will prefer
give me 2 names for internal. When you go recommend?
Probably.
If they come meet you as an agency.
It never dey for my mind now. Currently, say maybe, but if we say we go for external, now the same problem we don't get since. See, now we go still get.
It depends. It depends on the external.
The last time when we carry external, we can't do us when those early time we say.
Okay, you know say Jackie Lowe no get job.
I know say no get job.
We fit pay am or we no fit pay am.
We fit pay am.
So you remember say Duncan no get job.
I know.
Now the kind people will no get job for you.
I know. They plenty where well.
Now you now the way una for the go see una own. I don't know if you una see una own.
That the way they mention this the person na so they carry phone they say we dey
say don't go
Venezuela they don't
so now we una for the see una own na there we no know. See me don get new coach.
Yes.
Rudy Garcia.
That's not a news.
No be news.
It not be news.
Say na Rudy Garcia from the information when he come na the former coach of the present coach of PSG. Now the eye because now coach Osimhen for Lille.
For Lille, yes.
So now you know say Ikaya for PSG. He no go come, he no come.
You see that Garcia to me is just like say Napoli they know say currently they inform. They won't come use their own carry themselves go backward because taking someone like Garcia not be the person where this team actually needed by this time for a team that won the league for this season, and you can't keep your coach for the next season. At least you go for a better coach, way better pass the one where you don't. You not be say you go for the one we say in the below the one where you don't.
No, Garcia no dey below.
I go tell you say in the below. If you go look in record for when don't they come from till well a day today, you can never point one achievement. You be say this man for your life say he don't achieve. Now
what's Spanish tactician?
Who is Spanish tactician? Is the Spanish? What's the tactician? When you be tactician, now you go and now what's he go do for an ash? What's he go do for?
Ronaldo.
Now he write book for you know he come
still on coach matter.
Now because you know and now because he never sabi him work. If you still the only time we be say I go just say he just perform small now that time when he just enter Roma. That around the way come winning first 10 matches. So I will come think so maybe coach don't come. But at the end he finished 17 points behind Juventus. We later carry the league. So this man is someone me way be say me I not truly believe in him.
Even Napoli this season they don't say they go carry the league.
It
just work for them.
It's not about saying work. If you check last season, if you check last season
before the beginning of the season, those people whether they call bookmakers, where they predict they give the number 6.
They make up for England too.
Yes.
Nobody ever put Arsenal for number 6.
So even if Spalletti still the next season, if for no work for them.
For work because if we say Spalletti, yes, they go set player. But if we say Spalletti not just starting work this season, no. In trial last season, the problem be say when Osimhen gets injury, you know, say all the whole team just fumble.
He come out when the ovation still on as with the look coach matter. PSG say they don't put contract with your young coach. Yes.
Yeah, na better story. Sincerely, I dey happy with PSG. I think now they just
For Nagelsmann.
for Nagelsmann.
For PSG.
Of course, you dey look am be say maybe na small coach abi no fit deliver for PSG. Wetin PSG dey win? No be their league.
Okay now. Even if you still carry me.
Na so.
You get wetin PSG dey do this season, and
Okay.
I dey feel say they don dey go front. All those superstars, they don't limit them.
Yes.
They don't bring people when they hunger to play
Exactly.
football. Not because of the money.
You know,
because now what they do for Man City before Guardiola comes, say, I know say money good for football, but you need players when they hungry to play ball. Look Man City defense. What did they
Akanji.
Ruben Diaz. Okay, most in at the highest.
Yeah,
he used Ake play Champions League final.
Ake
Ake Chelsea tell say
your
leg no struggle. From Bournemouth now sign now. So even if the money work, it dey, but you still need to merge them. But Man City, PSG, anybody you need, call her, they'll give you.
You know, I just think say na two way I go use look that matter, because the first way be say when PSG come, you know, they come from all these Arab people. People no can't believe them. So they just need something where we say they go use attract people. Now him make all this big name where they sign Mbappe, they sign Neymar, they sign Messi. So they don't get the attraction, but the attraction not can they give them the trophy where they need. So now they can't they face reality small by small. So bringing in Nagelsmann, they sell all this Messi, they go Neymar so they go still talk on later after this Mbappe. They go still talk about.
As they talk about PSG, talk Upape matter. They say if you don't want to sign contract, you go. We don't want to lose you free transfer.
Now so you know having Mbappe losing on free transfer go be, let me say, the dumbiest saga we are go see for football. So you get someone like Mbappe and he go work for your door for free. And Mbappe don't talk say
150 for me.
Exactly. So we're just catching on this money. Maybe they don't think because of the beef they don't get with Perez for Real Madrid. Say they go no. If na Perez bring that money where you need right now, the best thing I say just collect the money. Allow Mbappe may leave. So when Mbappe leave, when Messi don't leave already, and I know say since there's no Mbappe when they don't get Messi, Neymar self go find one way we say he go self won't come up for that team.
You see the relationship between if the Qatari people buy Manchester United. Okay. You see that relationship of them doing business.
Of course. I don't foresee himself. Even if you follow this Sheikh Jazim for Twitter, you get one guy already for Twitter already. Now one Manchester United get they call him Trey. So when they talk, that the way the news of Mbappe just broke it and they say, continue with, sign, extending contract. So this guy this Trey can't talk, say, I just wish they make this Mbappe come Manchester United. The next thing with this Jackson go talk for him Twitter, he just try to say, no worry, for Qatari era, you go see all this kind of things. Say now only them fit carry Mbappe came.
Una don dey carry football, they go Qatar.
Now it just be like saying that the other people want dominate football for the next century, where they say, because we see now Europe they dominate them before, but now Qatari, if they not dominate them in their country, they dominate in another country with their money. So we don't the same for England. See as Man City they win treble now for PSG. Now then they do, even if they not collect a Champions League, and then they still they dominate French League since how many years ago. So if they call enter Manchester United now, so can't tell me we say waiting one remain for Europe. So they don't be maybe now they go enter Spain to come the buy club for Spain too. We never can play. But for PSG selling Mbappe, Messi don't go, and probably Neymar may go.
Variety.
So variety. So even they offer variety to Manchester United one time. Say if you quick carry this guy, but I think say now one injury player. So for me, I think say they face the reality just now. But other way they do now just preamble, they tell people say, okay, we don't come on now, we did here, we get this money day. But the fans come, they demand, say we demand more than money, we demand trophy. And the trophy they talk about no be all this Ligue 1 trophy. We they collect them before Messi came, we they collect them before Neymar came and Mbappe, we they collect them even before you came. So waiting winning na Champions League. And if you see all their failure na Champions League, once the other one coach should be say, you know, if you deliver Champions League for them, they fire them. So not be today start this two match to change, they fire them. Now because of Champions League and maybe lose the dressing room. The Pochettino too. That one still even reach final.
As they talk Pochettino, more going enter Chelsea.
Okay.
Chelsea say they don't tell Inter Milan say you see that business when I carry come. Mona your carry go back.
That big Lukaku.
When I say Lukaku more give una Lukaku, give una Koulibaly. We can add money joiner. They will add money joiner before we can carry Onana. They say that business. Monakaya go back.
Hey, say everybody don't see Chelsea finish. You know, say money dig ground, money fuck down. They just dey spend anyhow you just bring down. Chelsea know even the price.
FFA deal, financial fair play deal.
He did. But you know, say they just use and test run Chelsea, say hello to you did there. So they won't know what Chelsea won't talk. Lukaku self, if Inter self won't carry Lukaku self with Onana, they're supposed add money, join Onana, come carry Lukaku. But they just say, now them they just be like say they help Chelsea, they manage their own player, say okay, Chelsea you get Lukaku, no sabi use and now we they use them for you. You go still pay us money. I think now that thing they use take Chelsea. So for me, carry Onana to carry Onana, come add Lukaku, add Koulibaly. And you know say Koulibaly for Serie A no be ordinary player. Now England income become Jones. So if you say Serie A, we know say him be their own John Terry for that side. So I think say they don't see Chelsea finish. Say they get this money and they never know how to manage the money. So they ask them say okay bring this one. If Chelsea feel do that kind of business, I go say the Todd Bowley. Now him be the dumbest person I don't know for this world. Say
Chelsea really need goalkeeper.
They need no see there's one.
You get Kepa.
Wait.
You get Mendy.
Wait, see, I can say Mendy can even work past Onana. It depends on this goalkeeper coach. Where you know, say this man he really gets it on when he Chelsea Todd Bowley releasing many players, all these coaches, directors. Where he come, they release everybody. If you can't see that and where he come, now Chelsea keeper come the worst.
But you know, say Mendy na goalkeeper.
Okay.
Onana na modern goalkeeper. Even Gadola tell you say in a block before.
Exactly.
You bring Pochettino they come when they like a game, make it start from the back.
From the
like
back.
you know if you take him away from Brighton.
They
They must start that keeper must start that ball there. They must the passer they come.
Exactly.
So you need person like that. And you know if you trust Mendy for that one. You know, Mendy and the girl they the same class. They all did the same department, the same school, the same seat.
Senior the girl.
Okay, senior the girl small. So now make
that the girl.
Chelsea and Brighton midfielder Cancelo say show more can work together. How you see that deal?
Of course, see one thing I go just tell Chelsea be say make they tread carefully because if they carry player from all these Brighton and all, though they may be performing in their club, but coming to a big team just like Chelsea,
75 million pounds.
He go dey difficult. For instance, ask me about this guy where they Brighton lies in Bissouma.
When they Tottenham,
who know I'm begin.
Injury, now I know letter.
Injury one, but nevertheless, say there are sometimes we say indefeat, where we say
you know say Englishman they call the average player.
They call them up exactly. So spending like 80, even Brighton they demand 97. If just they prefer 75, they demand 97.
Even Liverpool trade well for
McAllister.
Even
if that one go Liverpool,
40 million pounds.
Where go flop. Nobody
no, for 40 million pounds.
And I hear they talk say even if we go Liverpool, we go flop, we go become another. I think this guy where they carry from on loan from Juventus Atomelo. So even you go flop like Atomelo, people no go talk because they go consider and say okay the money where they carry are still small. But someone like Casedo, we say go come they spend like 80-90 million on top and come bring am for team where no go still perform. Imagine this Enzo Fernandez. Why people not they talk for him because say Chelsea never get striker. So they never know, so maybe they do assist or maybe never they do assist or be all this kind of a thing. So spending that kind of money on someone like Casedo, we be saying now only Brighton don't test maybe inability. For me, I think say it's too much for Chelsea, 80 million. But like I said earlier, say people don't know say this money plenty for Chelsea and so everybody can't just the carry they use spoon they carry rice from their plate.
All right, make we look at the play yesterday for the UEFA Nations League. Just give us the scores for all the friendly match and the matches where they play yesterday. Spain and Italy. Spain just tell Italy say, "Una no go World Cup, una no go see Nations League final." As Spain just
play third place now.
Spain just, no third place they
play third place.
The young lads
with Netherlands.
With Netherlands. So Spain beat them 2-1. For the friendly match, you see, you know, say I give you some yesterday because now the early hours, Jamaica lose to Qatar 1-2. Vietnam beat Hong Kong. Argentina come beat Australia. Merci
beaucoup, ça fait bien merci.
Okay, now so they call and say merci.
Beaucoup.
Greatest have been one of the greatest.
Like I would say one of the greatest.
Okay, no, I just rest for there. I say one of the greatest. Yes, for the qualification for Group B for the Europe 2024 qualification, 7:45 Gibraltar go take on France. We know where that one go for the way the name sound.
Now walk over.
7:45 Greece go take on Ireland, Greece, nobody Greece again. Others they Ghana Kopulos, Lala Kopulos, they no day again. 7:45, Malta go take on the Three Lions of England. Iberi Chieze, dusted, confirm. And Mona just come on and mind again. And there we go. Only say, I don't tell say Mona come on and mind. You see one that they do cold water bath for Lagos. You see one that they do cold water bath.
No.
You don't see when Europe they do their cold water bath when they want to release the lab. When I go bring drum. All those John Mote, they keep water for his face. When I couple ice blocks.
That's so now. If you not get what they get, you go.
7:45, North Macedonia go take on Ukraine. While by 7:45, Steve for Group D, Latvia go take on Turkey. While Wales go take on Armenia. For the Group H, Finland go take on Slovenia. 7 o'clock, Denmark go take on North Ireland. 7:45. San Marino go take on Kazakhstan down at 7:45. For the Group I, you go still see for there. Andorra go take on Switzerland, 7:45. Belarus go take on Israel, 7:45. Kosovo, Romania, 7:45. Now so it be for the CONCACAF Nations League. Yes, where they play the early hours of this morning. The semi-final, Panama lose to Canada 0-1, while USA beat Mexico to 3-0. That one surprised me.
It come as a surprise.
It come as a surprise. The friendly matches when he did today, we'll just give you some. Sweden go take on New Zealand, Serbia go take on Jordan, and Poland go take on France. The Lewandowski people. That's so the matter be for all the matches when he did. Yes, we could just chook mouth for the transfers when he did. Manchester United, the Blessed market, they don't close.
Never close, but never open.
Kim. Bayern Munich don't tell us, it's what we get for you. See our proposal. Blessing will win Champions League next season.
You know, what's in there for Manchester United? I don't tell Manchester United fan yesterday, say, the only transfer we not going to expect this season, this transfer window, now make Glazer just sell Manchester United.
Okay,
now be their transfer.
More look Arsenal. Who just squeeze touch and one. Okay. Arsenal.
For the clearance.
Carvert.
Okay.
Declan Rice. How you see that Carvert? Good move for Arsenal to me.
Yes, a very good move. I tell people a very good move because a team where they go Champions League, you need a squad depth. A squad depth, say if someone they play, another one go.
No be squad depth like the Smith Rowe.
No be Smith Rowe. Now in make up itself they come.
Yes.
If as if Smith Rowe don't prove himself this season with maybe get injury like you get injury this season. They for now maybe sometimes go for this Carvert. But say now only Odegaard all this workload they on top of for that midfield. So they just need someone be say go just release Odegaard sometimes they say at least if you don't play like 70 minutes Oga come sit down if they don't win. And if they don't win they just need someone be say in can just bring in your own mentality to change game. And if you see waiting about the deliver for Bayern Leverkusen before Chelsea go carry their one. I don't know maybe now fake one they
like if people when I will say Premiership post too small. No, your other side for London. You know say you like them well. I know they like talk about them because Tottenham Hotspur. I know they like talk about them. They say Angel Postecoglou now they carry as a coach.
That coach,
how many months you give her?
Anytime where they mention that, where I see, I don't skip her because I don't even know.
How many months you give her for the job? Without joking matter, job when Mourinho do.
Will not succeed.
He not succeed.
Anthony
Conte come. He not succeed. This man when I respect so much, when he just win the Saudi Arabia League, no.
Espirito Santo.
He not succeed.
Now that no matter self surprise me because if you just come up for the levels of the top league for England, you just go Celtic. All due respect to Celtic, when it be like 2 horses race, Celtic Rangers. See brother when he come up for Rangers, Gerrard. See Rogers when he go Leicester. You know 2 of them no get job. Of course. You know
they refuse to say Hurricane. Next season free transfer.
You see that Hurricane matter go first put myself. If Hurricane just like himself, I just feel it. If he drop, he don't drop him before. I know saying that this guy let me know great release him. But if he try again, this is
no may not try.
He may try.
You know say they talk anything we concern transfer. Say may renew contract. He tell the person where they call we quick come and say no carry this matter come where are they.
Now only was
so he prefer to stay this season. Just stay next season. He go carry back.
But for this coach, where they just bring, I go just give him 6 months maximum.
Okay, 6 months.
I go give him 6 months because if they do a lot of all player way in go buy now. If they don't work, maybe
he get influence for market.
Of course, in getting for market. We we 1 point. Not be that they press two Leicester players, 50 million.
50 million pounds. Avi Barnes and Man City. When Newcastle then they put about 60 million pounds for Madison. The price
so they just say Tottenham they just see themselves so as a team will be say they mid table. So now that can be able they can't put for sure now. Before they can't they use the coach, the cardiologist say maybe they did, but now they just let us know say now mid team them be.
Because I really expected them to go for former Spain coach. Luis Enrique. I really expect them. I really expect them.
Are you even think say Enrique if contact him?
Yes, if he come. Because the young players went there, say like young players.
He like young players.
And they'll give a guarantee.
Of course, maybe. But that one is over, Sha.
That one is over. Yes, that's so it's over this morning. Say we not they settle for less. We not be mid team. When we just dey on top. Now, Mr. Remember the most prolific goalkeeper, the man when he expensive pass keeper, the man when they keep clean sheet when they play from the post, from the defense, like Onana. How it be. And I get my midfielder when yesterday he just did the field, but he can't struggle and. But we wish him the best on Sunday.
Don't give me ball.
Okay, so it's not really don't give him ball. But we wish him the best on Sunday when Super Eagles go take on Sierra Leone. Prediction for Super Eagles?
Close to winning. I don't want to know how many goals, but they must win.
They must win.
They must win.
They must win.
They must. It's a must.
Okay, you say they must win.
They must win.
Okay, Jose Posero, they say you must win. Now, so we take sign out this morning. Together we say, Una, good morning.
Good morning.
Celtic when it be like 2 horses race. Celtic Rangers. See brother when he come up for Rangers. Gerrard. See Rangers when he go Leicester. You know 2 of them no get job.
Of course. And
they refuse to say Hurricane. Next season free transfer.
You see that Hurricane matter go first put myself. If Hurricane just like himself, I just feel it means if he drop, he don't drop him before. I know saying that this guy let me know great release him. But if he try again this is
no may not try.
He may try.
You know say they talk anything we concern transfer. Say may renew contract. He tell the person where they call we quick come and say no carry this matter come where are they. Now only was so he prefer to stay this season. Just stay next season he go carry back.
But for this coach where they just bring I go just give him 6 months maximum.
Okay, 6 months.
I go give him 6 months because if they do a lot of all player way in go buy now. If they don't work maybe
he get influence for market.
Of course in getting for market. We 1 point. Not be that they press 2 Leicester players, 50 million.
50 million pounds. Avi Barnes and Man City. When Newcastle then they put about 60 million pounds for Madison. The price.
So they just say Tottenham they just see themselves so as a team will be say they mid table. So now that can be able they can't put for sure now. Before they just use the coach, the cardiologist say maybe they did, but now they just let us know say now mid team them be.
Because I really expected them to go for former Spain coach. Luis Enrique. I really expect them. I really expect them.
Are you even think say Enrique if contact him?
Yes, if he come. Because the young players went there, say like young players.
He like young players.
And they'll give a guarantee.
Of course, maybe. But that one is over, Sha.
That one is over. Yes, that's so it's over this morning. Say we not they settle for less. We not be mid team. When we just dey on top. Now, Mr. Remember the most prolific goalkeeper, the man when he expensive pass keeper, the man when they keep clean sheet when they play from the post, from the defense, like Onana. How it be. And I get my midfielder when yesterday he just did the field, but he can't struggle and. But we wish him the best on Sunday.
Don't give me ball.
Okay, so it's not really don't give him ball. But we wish him the best on Sunday when Super Eagles go take on Sierra Leone. Prediction for Super Eagles?
Close to winning. I don't want to know how many goals, but they must win.
They must win.
They must win.
They must win.
They must. It's a must.
Okay, you say they must win.
They must win.
Okay, Jose Posero, they say you must win. Now, so we take sign out this morning. Together we say, Una, good morning.
Good morning.
You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just 1 click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.